Part of Rotochopper's legacy is really the people. There's people here that are very passionate about building a great product, passionate about interacting with our customers and taking care of our customers, and ultimately helping our customers be profitable, which in turn makes us a successful company for the long term.
I think the people are the best asset that Rotochopper has.
We care deeply about our customers and the type of product that we want to get out the door. And we value our customers and our employees very much.
And with Rotochopper, you get people who care, people who want to get to really care about what's happening, want to get you running and want to take care of you. Numerous times we've had a customer call and then late in the afternoon and I'm down and I need this going, and one of the guys will step up, they'll hop in the truck and they'll start driving to get the customer going.
I'm proud to lead a team of employees that build a high-class durable machine.
Guys that build the machines down there take a lot of pride, and they want their machine, that machine, to be the best grinder that's out there in the business, and that's what we want.
Once you buy a Rotochopper, you're part of the family. We'll take care of you. We are dealer direct. You're dealing with the maker of the machine, and it doesn't end when the machine is sold. It really is just kind of the beginning, bringing that customer into the Rotochopper family, and then the sales reps are continually working with those customers to enhance their business.
Well, I think our factory direct model is a differentiator for us and for our customers because they just have a direct connection to our entire team. That allows them to get things faster, to solve a problem faster. We can better meet their business needs than maybe someone that's a bigger company that just doesn't have that direct connection back to their customer.
I think the one thing, whether it's engineering or on the shop floor or service or sales, our guys realize that you have to work on these machines, so they're designed that way. They're designed with the end user in mind. We want the parts easy to find and easy to maintain the equipment. And just with that in mind, everybody kind of works together and tries to make it better for the end user.
I was born and raised on a farm in St. Martin, so I always knew of Rotochopper when they first started. And to hear people say, oh my gosh, that actually comes from St. Martin, Minnesota. So it's pretty amazing that small town and such big equipment and how well it is known.
I'm proud to be an employee at Rotochopper for 20 years and I'm looking forward to the future.
Rotochopper has a very bright future. As we look ahead, first and foremost, it's about innovation, looking at new products, looking at ways to help our customers be more productive and help them make more money is a key element. Also, our people. We continue to add strong people that add new capabilities to be able to take our company into a great place in the future. So the future is very bright, the best days are ahead, and a lot of opportunity as a company. So on behalf of Rotochopper and all of our employees, I want to say thank you, especially to our customers who have partnered with us for 30 years and have continued to work with us and make us a better company as we work with you to continue to help you grow and develop your business. So thank you.
I think thank you is not enough to show the gratitude from an organization that started in a small community like St. Martin and has grown to really reach corners of the world. I think that our customers mean a lot to us and our employees mean a lot to us as well.
I'd like to thank all the customers for buying the machines. That allows us to work with our friends here in St. Martin and all the hard work that everybody here in St. Martin and the sales folks do to make that happen.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, everyone, for 30 years and looking forward to another 30.
I'd really like to thank all the customers who's given us the opportunity to support them with our grinders and to be our customers and to be our friends. Thank you.
Rotochopper, thanks a lot for 30 years. It's been great so far.
Thank you to all of our customers, our employees, and everyone who makes Rotochopper great.
Thank you to all of our wonderful customers, employees, community for making Rotochopper happen.
Just a thanks from our small, humble roots and the beginning that we had to what we are now, the company that we are and the company that we hope to be. It's just been a great journey in my short time here with Rotochopper, and again, it's the people that make this journey fun, exciting, and well worth it.